Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode, we will be building part 1-24 rear leaf spring bracket 1 of the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get designing. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. So we're going to start, this episode is going to be building the rear leaf spring bracket 1. So we're going to open up our template. We're going to save it. It's going to be 1-24. And we're going to go to the side view, right view, normalize, and open up sketch. So let's go to line tool, mist, line tool. So it's going to be cross, up, oop. It's going to be like a, oh man, I hate when it does that. Thank you. It's going to be like a N, I guess. There we go. So let me just parallel that one. Thank you very much. This one and this one needs to stay even. Thank you very much. Everything else should be good. Okay, so we want Smart Tool. This is going to be 25. Oop, 25, not 25. This is going to be 3. And this is going to be 3. And these two are going to be 3. Let me zoom in so I can see better. Okay, that's looking good. We do curve this here, but we're going to do it not the way we normally do. Okay, we're going further. We're going to go to feature, extrude, 127. But mid-plane and okay. There we go. That's looking good. Now we're going to do the fillet, which is going to be 3mm. That one and that one. And okay. There we go. That's a lot easier than doing the other way. So we're going to do another fillet. That one. And that one. That's been 1.5 and done. There we go. See, that's a lot easier than doing it the other way I was showing. Just showing different ways you can do things so that way, if for some reason fillet doesn't work, you can do it, use another way. So, okay. Now, right now, actually, before we go any further, we're going to finish the top off because we want 2 holes. And these are going to be 8mm. 8. Beautiful. It's going to be equal. Now, measurement. These two are going to be 1, 2, 88 part. And 19.5. So 15.5. That should be halfway. Ooh. That was a miss. Okay. 15.5. Let me just double check that. 15.5. Perfect. So we've got that's there, that's fixed. That's fixed across. Okay, everything's good. So we shall extrude through all and okay. There we go. That hole's done. Excellent. So let's go this side. Normal 2. And sketch. And now we are going to, okay, it's going to come down here, it's going to slide down there. Hey, hold on. Ooh, I think I did something wrong. Well, not did something wrong, I think I just got to do something. Yep. I knew I've got something. Don't have the height. Oh, when they use, how many of you was yelling at me on that one? So we want 76 plus 13. Wow, that makes a difference. Okay, exit. That makes a difference because the thing that looks awfully short. Okay, let's go back to this one. Normalize 2 and sketch. That looks better. I'm thinking that doesn't look high enough. So we want straight here. It's going to go down here. It's going to curve around there, up there. There'll be a hole here and a hole there. So the holes are 10. Let's put the holes in first. One there. One there. We just do 10. Beautiful. Equal. Beautiful. Okay. So this hole here is going to be from there to there. It's going to be 76. It's going to be I missed that. What? Thank you. It's going to be hold on. Oh, 25. Right, that one should be locked now. Beautiful. Now this one's going to be, this one to this one is going to be 38.5. Yeah, the only thing is it doesn't show the height. Although, oh, I see. No, I see. That's actually in the middle. So if we go from this point to this point, click that 127 divided by 2. Oop. Oh, idiot. There's a row. That's already done though. It's this way we do it. No. Oh, I looked at it wrong. We all make mistakes. Does not show. Go leave that one for now. But what I do want is go from here. Thank you. To there. That goes all the way to that corner, thank you. To there. And this is going to be a raise of 13. So if we go to that one, that one, that one. There we go. Let's make that 13. We'll use that little trick we did in one of the other videos. Yeah, I did. I didn't redo it. Oh, sorry. Raise 13, so I am to 26. There we go. That reached on there perfectly. Okay, so this one and this one is going to be tangent. This one and this one's going to be tangent. Oop. That's weird. Need to make that longer. There we go. That one's going to be tangent. There we go. Beautiful. That's the shape we want. That's good. So let's go trim. Get rid of that. Trim. Thank you. Get rid of that one. Beautiful. That one. There's nothing else there, is there? Nope. Don't look like it. Beautiful. That one's gone. Okay, that's looking good. Let's grab this line again. Down to here. Down to there. Across there. Oop. Yeah. Okay, we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to go... Yeah, I hate that. Seems double click. Hold on, where's that one moving? Hold on. grab that one, pop it there, and pop it there. There we go. So that should be good. This one actually shows about there somewhere. It doesn't actually show a distance. So it does make it a little bit hard. So I might have to adjust that one later on when we get somewhere further in. So just do that one now. So there's the feature, extrude. Now the reason I went down there, if you went across there, it's closing it in. So it's causing issues. So we go outside the border. Cut. Through all and okay. There we go. Beautiful. That's what we're after. Almost done, but not quite. We want this here. The rate is 10. Could have done that, or we just do fill it. Let's see. Rate is a 10. Nope, not that one. Not that one. Clear section, thank you. That one. And that one. And 10, yep. And done. There we go. And that one's done by the looks. This hole here is unknown at the moment. Doesn't have measurements there. So that's after fun. That's after fun. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click that like button. I do appreciate it. It does help me out. And if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing if you want to see more. And thanks again for everyone's support. Welcome new subscribers. Leave comments below. I love hearing from guys and girls. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.